Good morning and a happy new year to one and all. I'm up at Chocolate Woods and I'm up here for a reason. I haven't got the dog with us. I'm not done running. I've got in this bag my new toy, which is a drone, a little newer too. And I'm scared to get it out. I know I've flown it yet. Basically, I'm terrified. It's going to fly away. So, I hope you all had a good night last night. I managed to see the midnight in and bite, eating a few drinks. My family there. Very quiet night. But I'm going to try and find a place here where it's open-ish, where there's not many people about. Give a spin run. Lovely in here, like. It's quite busy the day, like, obviously New Year's Day. People are blowing their cobwebs away. Right, tried a few things. I'm going to try dolly zoom now. I don't know how to start. How do you start? There we go.
3, 2, 1.
I'm impressed with it up now, like. This is going to be a dolly zoom where it's going to go backwards, but zoom into me at the same time. I set it to 5 meters. Oh, it's gone a bit far there, like. Oh, it's come back in. There we go. But I watch you for pedestrians and horse riders and cyclists. It's an amazing thing, like. It really is. I'm impressed. I sit and clear this out here. We've only got one battery, and then it comes back to your hand. I'll try and show you. Oh, meant to come back to your hand. Now it turns off. Yeah. So what we've got now, value zoom, I've done circle, I can't do master shots, boomerang, can't do boomerang because droney, have I done droney? Done selfie shot, done follow front, follow back. Droney, what does droney do? Let's have a look. 4 meter rise. Alright, we'll start it anyway.
3, 2,
Droney.
1.
Oh, somebody coming. We'll get it back in a minute. Yeah. Hello there. Alright. Alright. Oh, it's alright, it's fine. I've got a dog and all, I'm used to dogs. Spotlight, controls, try droney again.
3, 2,
Oh, hold on, wait
1.
there. There's somebody coming, there's a runner coming. Do we let him pass first? So he's got a dog as well. That's what I should have done. Should have brought me my running kit because I'm going to go for a run the deal. Like. What's the battery on? 62%. Standing fast like.
Pick up that door, come on.
Hi there.
Hi.
3, 2, 1.
I'll show you how you can also you can do it by voice command, so I can stop that here. Alright, can I? We'll go to a manual. Hold on. Hang on. It was before. Ah, it's on there now. Right. So there again, look there. Journey, master shots, dummy zoom, spotlight.
3, 2, 1.
Spotlight, so I can move it back. Alright, don't spotlight, I can move it to the side. See how it's gone round? I can also turn it back over to there, and I can bring it into there by putting my hands there. I'm not sure you can see this on the camera, right? And then put that like that, it should come back to this. Right, clever stuff like. I want to stand up high, but it's too windy, there's too many trees. So we're going back to selfie, we'll do a few selfies here. Start it off.
3,
Battery's down to 55 mil, going down fast. We send a selfie. That's better. It's hard this. I should have a chest rig with it, shouldn't I? So it's following us, but it's following us in the rear, so I can stop that now and put it behind us. Right, as you can see, it's following us far, lower. We're not going to change that. Made flat. Will that change? Right, here's I. So I can change it mid-flight by the controller. Right, that's that for now. The battery's It lasted about 10 minutes. It's cold, it's a little bit windy, so that's what I was expecting. I was expecting about 10 to 12 minutes. It's brilliant, like, it's fantastic. It's a clever piece of kit, and hopefully it'll be a good one so I can get a controller for it, and I can take it even further up and further away. Apparently it claims that you can take it, I think it's 6 kilometres. Obviously the battery will never last that long, so right, with just the phone you can take it out. I watched a video the other day that the claim was, excuse me, 300 or 400, but I watched a video the other day and this guy took it 600 metres, so it's quite a way that, like, it's nearly 3/4 of a kilometre. But right, it's a clever bit of stuff. Can't wait to get my bike out, now do some bike following and try some of their features, like the Master Shots one where what it does it, you set it up and it does like a droney, a selfie, a boomerang, a rocket. It does a whole lot and like a sequence, and it comes back to you. If you want to come back to you, stick your palm out. I think it'll take a while to get used to the gesture controls. It did work, but it wasn't 100% error. But that was good. I got a couple of new batteries for it. In hindsight, I should have got a combo pack, shouldn't I? But I was trying to save money, and I didn't save money. I'm actually going to spend more money. No, the batteries is the main thing. I can use it for what I need. I can use my phone. You know, they're going far enough for my needs. Can't wait to get a bit wild camping and cycling and stuff like that. So it's been a nice little wander in the forest. I'll put the camera out here, and I was still talking to myself, telling you what the drone was doing. I'm thinking, that happens a lot on YouTube, like you put your camera out here and you keep on walking along talking to yourself, like you need it. I'm not even sure where I'm at the minute. Good thing I didn't test it too much, but it didn't hit any obstacles. That's a good thing. Loads of people at the day, like, getting fresh air. So I'm going to head home now. Linda's got more food on. Well, there's food last night and all. That's all you do at Christmas, don't you? Eat food and just put weight on. I'm hoping to go for a run later on. That should be good. Get a few miles done. Try and shift half a pound a load. So I hope you all had a happy Christmas, and I hope you all have a brilliant New Year. Even the ones I don't like, I hope you all have a good New Year. Oh. Where am I at? I think I'm back the way I was going to be before. That's what I was going to do. I had a little bit more battery, I would let it follow us through here, but I haven't got enough battery. It's in a one bar, one light. Anyway, I'm going to head back to the car this way, and I'll catch us on the next one. I'll see if I can hash some kind of video together for this. Might have to do a bit of voiceover on it, which I'm never too comfortable with doing. I can speak to the camera all day, but voiceovers, oh my god, narration, never in the world. But we'll give it a go. We'll see how it goes. So, till then, I'll bid you farewell, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching now.